Something we've noticed over the last few decades is that this is growing evidence that health inequalities exist. And what are health inequalities? Well, they're the systematic differences, unavoidable and unjust differences between health outcomes of different social groups within and between countries globally, which implies that health inequalities are socially determined. Why do we need research on health inequalities? Well, we need to understand the trends, what's going on, who's being affected. We need to understand the causes of health inequality. And so it's important to raise questions about why. Why is this happening? Why are we seeing these trends? Why is some cities or institutions or countries have stronger capacity to be able to produce more research on this topic, and what kind of mechanisms are important and what kind of contextual factors are important to be able to generate this type of research. There are a number of things. We need to have human resource capacities, we need technical and informational resources, we need obviously financial resources, we need to generate a strong sense of recognition of the problem of health inequalities. We also need to invest and prioritize in research networks, so formal networks, political support and institutional support in order to produce this type of research. We need information systems, and we need to have the data. We need to have data on population health. For example, the UK, which is a well-known case, has a long history of producing research on health inequality. We also identified Spain as well to be quite a high producer of this research, but when we went into depth, we noticed that actually a large production of this research is happening in Barcelona, and we did some research to try to understand what kind of mechanisms have been important, what kind of social, political, institutional factors have been important to activate certain mechanisms to create change in society and to create researchers to produce research on health inequalities, but also try to understand what kind of factors have been inhibiting the production of research over time.